Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. We have here a unfinished 3 bedrooms, 2 bathroom house located in Horizon Park, Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth. This single family house consists of a master bedroom with bath and a walk-in closet, 2 other bedrooms and 1 other bathroom. There is also kitchen, dining room, carport, laundry room, and front and back verandas. The land area of this property is 11,160 square feet, and other features that accompanies this house includes wheelchair access, garden area, kitchen built-ins, fully walled, ceramic tiling, central location, family oriented, low maintenance yard, quiet area, level lot, and recreational areas nearby. The current price of this house is Jamaican $14 million or US $88.6 thousand. Now, let's check out this house and please remember, leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. For watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.